when I came to know that a workshop on manuscripts is being conducted, my first reaction was, what is there in this? The whole thing can be covered only in one lecture. Why do we need 4 or 5 lectures? This was my first reaction. But then at the end of this workshop, almost we are at the end, except tomorrow's lecture. Now it became clear how smartly Dr. Bandhu has arranged almost a week-long session on this topic. And it has been arranged in a very orderly manner. The very first lecture is by Professor Sachin Kumar Singh. It is all about the lab research, how you can get effectiveness in the lab research. So that's the starting point. And the second lecture was how to proactively write a good paper by Dr. Sunila Dhaneshwar. It's a natural consequence after completion of lab work. Now, the third lecture yesterday, it was done by Dr. Prashant. He wrote or he spoke on the story between finalizing the paper and review. That itself he expanded so well and he spoke out. From the reviewer's angle, he has given the lecture yesterday. Now, one step above it is today's lecture, how to make the whole manuscript very, very effective and readable and interesting and also impactful. All those were covered today. So I really appreciate the whole exercise, as well as, of course, the professors who have covered so well. And at the apex of it, Dr. Bandhuji had scheduled it so well, all the topics. I really appreciate and great. I I congratulate myself for attending these things.
Thank you so
Otherwise,
much,
I
sir.
would have missed it.
Yeah.
So thank you all.
Thank
And
you.
I,
Thank you.
I mainly congratulate all the speakers and Dr. Bandhuji.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Any other person?